Hi guys, my cousin is getting married, and today we organize Qudalıq. It means that brides and groom's side relatives, parents is getting acquainted with each other, and it connects a lot of tradition with it. And I'm going to show you everything and watch the video till the end because it's going to be very interesting. The Kazakh wedding tradition of Qudalıq involves a ritual where the groom's closest relatives, led by the main matchmaker, visit the bride's home to ask for her hand in marriage. The main matchmaker is typically the groom's elder brother or another close relative. Upon arrival, the groom is greeted by the jenge, it's the daughters-in-law and wives of older brothers, who playfully interrogate him, search his pockets, and devise various tests. It's customary to place trinkets, coins, and sometimes money in the groom's pockets for this part of the ritual. At matchmaking meetings, shashu is a must-have treat. Shashu refers to sweets and candies, which are essential for any festive occasion, symbolizing warmth and adding to the sense of celebration and joy. It's customary to gather sweets and offer them to children, wishing that they will take part in future celebration. The arriving guests are seated in the most honorable place at the table. Before getting to know each other, elderly individuals with a wealth of life experiences give bata. Bata is a national blessing expressed through the best wishes and kind parting words. After that, they start getting to know each other. At the same time, the atmosphere is light-hearted and fun, often turning into the beautiful songs and games.
Toyumuz toy olmasın, evimiz sağ olsun, asadan evimiz olsun, evimiz bakıp olsun.
Hayır, kalsın. Şimdi altına tutalım. Altına tanıştıralım. Sonra getirdiler, görüneyim, hemen getiririz. Yeni de beraber tanıştıralım.
After the girl's parents give their consent to the daughter's marriage, the groom's side puts earring on the girl. The groom's mother puts the gold earrings on her. Then they kiss her on the cheeks or the forehead. The reason that Kazakhs have always equated their girls with gold is that daughters-in-law wear exclusively gold earrings. After the bride's father has given his consent to the marriage of the daughter, a dish called quyruq bawır is served. It consists of pieces of boiled liver and pieces of boiled chicken stuffed together. The bride's side feed their brides and the groom's parents, symbolizing the forging of a new union between the families. After the feast, the groom's representative presents a qorshan, a gift for the bride. This usually consists of beautiful jewelry for the bride and gifts for everyone else. A relative from the groom's side presents earrings to the bride called sırğatağız, which symbolize the bride's status. Before leaving, the groom's parents are represented with gifts known as kits. In modern society, the gifts have evolved by typically still included finely crafted traditional robes and hats with national designs.